right, so
That was another one.
chata.
I'll give
That
you
was
shot
two.
up.
That was two.
2 lug nuts were like hand tight. 3. Yeah, you didn't even get a nugget dug out of that.
Nope, not even close.
Lovely.
Let's go see the other side real quick before I pull that tire off.
Yeah, and then we're going to talk about the age of these tires and how that is not safe.
They look good.
They look great. Oh, they're brand new.
Okay, that one's good.
There's one nugget dug.
Good.
Nugget dug out of that.
Oh,
Oh, no.
that's
No.
that was just the casing on the outside.
So, let's discuss.
Oh yeah.
Where the hell is it on?
Upholstery.
All right, 05 of 12. 5th week of 2012. February of 2012.
That's sketchy.
These tires are 12 years old. No. I don't care. But they're brand new. They look brand new. No.
But they still got the little nubby things on the side.
They're 12 years
I
old.
know.
They are trash. I'm sorry. But you need tires.
Let's see what we got here.
5 years is about around here. But some guys go to 10, but we don't like that. We like 8 max. And that's pushing it. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Ooh, that's a lovely sound burns out. Oh, yeah.
Sounds like my old truck.
Sounds
What's
like
or nuts?
sounds like your bed with your ex.
Which one?
The big one. Damn.
Let's go on the other side real quick.
Yeah, and again, where is it? 23 of 12. Okay, that's a couple months newer. No. These tires are 12 years old. And look at, and they're rubbing because they're probably not the right size. Ooh, bump stop's done. Look at that. Cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle,
What
wiggle.
the fuck?
You can do it. You can do it. Wiggly, 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 wiggly. Piggly, wiggly.